See, you know that's your friend, Ajimai. He's with my friend Anama. So, we should share 2-2. So that when we go to the city, we can...
So you want to go to the city with us?
Yes.
Because your friend is dating my friend.
She's my friend, Ajimai. It's also your friend, so we should pay. Best of the same feathers.
Bravo. I'm not interested.
You are interested?
Drop me in power. I'm not interested.
I can see it in your eyes.
Ajiman, please. I swear to God there's nothing going on between us. Please. Believe me. At least give me the chance to explain myself. I am sorry.
Yeah. Vision Nation, baby.
Our life can sometimes be very different from what we planned. My world is turned upside down by my mistakes of the past, and the consequences can be seen worldwide. A young man with a vision of becoming a professional tutor was shattered by my own indiscipline and uncalled for behavior. My name is Prosper Mawuli, a descendant from the great Ametoma Willis family from the Volta region of Ghana. This is my life story in a small village called Bredi, and I call it Back in the Days.
Mawule. What is it? You've been so quiet ever since we came here. What is bothering you?
George, I'm in deep waters.
What? In deep waters? What has happened? Tell me, what is it?
George, one of the students is pregnant.
Pregnant?
And she said I am responsible.
Mawuli, you see, I've been telling you this. You have messed up big time, and you have to do something very quick before the truth comes out.
I'm confused now.
You shouldn't be confused. You should be.
No, George. The deal is already done. And I don't know what to do now. I need a fast solution.
So what do you have in mind?
That's why I'm telling you, George.
I think I have a plan. It's a simple plan. Let's stick to this.
What is it?
Let's go.
What? Hey, no, never. Hey, George, no, I don't want to soil my hands with blood. I cannot do that. In fact, erase that thing. Erase it from your mind. Think.
If you can't soil your hand in the blood, go. If you can't buy my idea, just go. You are in trouble, man. Trying to help you. You are telling me this. If you can't do it, just walk out and go.
George, let's think about something else.
What else? I have said my own. You said you will not buy it.
I think I have a plan. So long.
So I'm so sorry for keeping you waiting. I needed to make sure no one was following me.
Yes. That is fine. Do you know what? You see this thing? Drink it. It will be very gentle on you and it will clear everything. Alright?
Sir, are you sure this won't damage my wing?
No. This one is a very good medicine. Just drink it. It is bitter, but it is surely going to clear everything. And it is fast and simple, Kra.
But, sir, I don't know what this is made of. I am scared.
Don't worry, Amelie. Just take it, okay? It will clear everything.
It's bitter.
Yes. You know, the fetus is not grown yet. It is not grown into a baby. So this thing can clear everything and make you free. Just take it.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm very, very sure. Amelie, you know I love you and I won't do anything to hurt you. So please take it. Take all. Drink it. Drink it. Drink good. You see, it is good. Now, this thing that you have drink, I'm 100% sure it is going to do everything. It will clear all.
So are you sure?
I am 100% sure. Do you get it? You see, you have to start going before people or somebody come to see us and suspect us. Do you understand? So when you go, make sure you don't tell anybody, not even your mom.
Okay, sir.
Alright. So we have to pass this way and I will take this route. You get it? Make sure nobody sees you. Alright?
Okay, sir. Okay. I love you, sir.
Oh, yeah. I love you too, Amelie. Okay. But this is not the time for that, okay? We will talk later. Okay. See you.
Mauli. So how did it go? Were you able to convince her to take the herbs?
Yes, I tried my best. You see, she was trying to push them, but I pushed her to take it.
That's good. But one thing is, you have to be prepared for the outcome, because all this does not sound good at all.
Ajima. How are you? It's Nanama around.
As you can see, she's not around.
Oh, okay.
And she's not here.
Nanama is not
here. She
here.
doesn't live here. What do you want?
Okay. So since Nanama is not around, you know, the two of us, we can have time for each other. We can talk. We can lie down and play. We can do anything. I'm just open for anything. So, okay.
Rago, are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
We can pray together.
No pray. Why should we pray here? We are coming to play.
I said Nanama is not here. You can leave.
Oh. Ajima.
Rago,
take a look at me. Ajima, why are you doing this? And just give me a chance. Let me just come inside, then so that we can play together, okay? Let's go inside.
don't come here again. If you come here again, I will beat you. I will personally beat you.
You can't do this to me, Ajima.
Brago!
Don't you remember the first time? Why are you treating me this way?
Brago! I said I don't want to see you. Brago, I hate that, eh? Are you a witch? Are you a witch? Is it my fault to have sex with you? Huh?
No, okay. It's not sex, so
I'll beat you!
No, it's not always about sex. I want to share a moment with you. Like, we can just be...
Hey, Bravo, I'll beat you.
I want to stay...
Bravo, I'll beat you. Go, leave here. Nonsense.
Mommy! Somebody help me! Mommy! Mommy! Mommy, I'm dead! Somebody help me!
My daughter!
Mommy, I'm dead!
Hey, my daughter! You're bleeding! Hey! Amele, what's wrong with you? What happened to you? Hey, talk to me! Somebody help! Hey! Somebody help! My daughter is dying!
Somebody help me!
I'm powerful.
Nana, you're always looking beautiful.
Really?
What's your head? Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, how would you love to be in the city?
Me? In the city?
Yes, you.
No, I can't afford the city life.
He's talking about affordability here. Ajima God, you covered. He's rich. You know that? And besides, when you come to the city, you have big cars, big buildings, bigger buildings. And have you ever seen a flying car before?
A flying car?
Like this.
Whoa, so this testifies to the fact Ajuman told me.
Everything.
Wow,
Everything.
about
Car
all
like,
the flashes.
Ooh.
Oh,
Flying car.
it's okay. I'm powerful.
No.
That reminds me. Ever since you came into this village, I've never seen you with a girl. How come?
A girl?
Yes, tell me about it.
You mean Ajima never told you?
No.
Well, the gospel truth is I'm in a serious relationship. We're almost getting married. And I want to stay faithful. I don't want to cheat on her.
Wow. You're such a nice person.
Thank you.
What of your friend Ajaman? Does he have a girl in the city?
Ajima? No. No, it's only you that I know of. Ajima doesn't have anybody. He's been single since we left and then here. It's only you, you know. And he loves you. Trust me.
I love him too.
I know.
I don't want him to break my heart.
You guys are making me fall in love all over again.
I'm powerful.
Besides, listen, Ajima has never proposed to a lady before. I was very surprised seeing Ajima with you. He will make you enjoy.
I love him so much.
You guys are making me feel loved.
Leave baby, going back.
I'm powerful. You are back. Yeah. Guess who just left here?
Who just left here?
Brago, of course.
Brago? You mean
She
Brago
came here in the name of looking for Nanama. All of a sudden, she started forcing herself on me.
Forcing herself on you? I was just with Nanama. You mean... No, hold it. Ajimai, forcing herself, what do you mean? What do you mean by...
I said Brago wanted to have sex with me. She wanted to sleep with me. I just sacked her from the house because I don't want any problem.
Ajimai, what's wrong with this girl?
I don't know.
Ajimai, this girl could be very, very evil. She's evil. Can you just imagine?
Hey!
Baby, why?
I love you.
You love me?
Yes.
Just like that?
I'm powerful. See, do you know that the first day you came to this village, I fell in love with you. But I don't know what happened though. I don't know what happened. You know what? Since you'll be going to the city anytime soon, I want to go with you so that...
You're not serious?
See, you know that's your friend, Ajimai. He's with my friend Anama. So, we should share 2-2. So that when we go to the city, we can...
So you want to go to the city with us?
Yes.
Because your friend is dating my friend.
She's my friend, Ajimai. It's also your friend, so we should pay. Best of the same feathers.
Brago, I'm not interested.
You are interested?
Don't mean Paul, I'm not interested.
I can see it in your eyes.
You are dreaming. Huh? You are dreaming.
I'm perfect. You don't love me.
Brago, I said no.
You love me.
Hey, Ajimai! Stop.
Ajimai.
What?
That's exactly what happened.
So she proposed to you?
She proposed to me.
And she's still forcing me.
Ajimai, you have to be very careful. I don't know what this girl is up to, but you have to be very careful.
She's just trying to cause problem between the village champion. What is his name?
Not that Luftball, that
or whoever. So Brago wants her boyfriend to skin or kill me, right?
I'm not just worried about it. I'm worried about the assignment you came here for. And also the fact that Nanama is falling deeply in love with you.
But she's aware I'm dating Nanama now.
Be careful, man.
Mommy, it's good day.
Oh, good day, my daughter. How are you?
Yes, I'm fine. Mommy, please, Amelie didn't come to school today, so I came to find out what is wrong with her.
Yeah, Rema, my daughter was bleeding.
What?
Yes.
Bleeding? Mommy, what happened? Was she raped?
So, I've taken her to the herbalist. So we soon know what is wrong with her.
Okay, Mommy, I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
I pray she gets well soon.
I pray so.
Hi. Okay, Mommy, I'll tell our teacher tomorrow if I go to school.
Okay, that's okay.
I'm very sorry. Please, my greetings to her as well.
Sure, yeah.
Okay.
My regards to your parents too.
Okay, Mommy.
Take care of yourself.
Okay, Mommy.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Get off. Put it on your top. Hey! See! Come.
Do you see it? Hey, Kwesi, did you see what I saw?
Is that not Araba? Wouldn't kiss this woman?
That's her.
But where is she going to at this time of the night? At this time of the morning?
This road leads to that fine teacher's house. What's his name? Kra. Teacher Mawuli.
That guy! How is that possible?
It is.
He chop him! He chop him!
I said it, that man is chopping Odinkes's woman.
What? It's true! You don't shock? Don't shock! He chop him, I said the last time, no people don't believe it. He chop him every day, every after school. Chop him, giddy giddy. With Tomwabe 16, watch never catch you in Kissy. Her! Should we follow her?
No! Yes. Who does that?
Let's follow him.
She might notice and see us. Let's tell Odinkesi tomorrow.
No, me da follow am. Hey, ara papa. See and believe it. If you don't go see some, can't say more see.
So what's funny?
Above all, what is wrong with you at all?
What's funny here? I'm being serious. This guy is here raping, sleeping, and then impregnating the young girls, and you are here laughing.
Why do you always want to poke your nose into people's affairs?
Because it's my business.
No. Listen. The guy is very young, fresh guy. I want him to enjoy himself.
Enjoy? By impregnating these young girls?
Massa, listen. Maybe the girls are rather forcing themselves on him.
Shaman, let's report this when we get back to the city.
Report what? Are you here to report somebody? Massa, attend to your duties and allow him to do his work.
Ajimai.
Hey, Massa, so you like that too much.
Ajimai, are you okay?
I'm alright.
Hey.
Hi. Do you miss me?
Brago, what do you want?
Oh, Ajimai. Hey, take your time. I came in peace.
Brago,
Ajimai.
I've warned you to stay away from me.
I can't stay away from you. Ajimai, see. If you decide not to give me your heart, for some time, for me to give yourself the chance for me to love you, I won't just wait for you to just waste it like that. See, you know my friend Anama. Do you know Teacher Mauli? You should go and see what she's doing with him. Ajimai, if you see the way Teacher Mauli has held my friend's bottles under the tree, you should see.
Brago, you don't mean it.
I don't mean it. Hey, let me tell you something. If you decided not to give your heart to me, I won't let you waste it all. I won't let you waste your heart. Just give it to me. I'm going to guard it. I'm
Brago,
going to guide it.
Tell me it's a lie.
Why would I lie about this?
Where are they?
Oh, take your time. I'm telling you.
Where are they?
Ajimai.
Hey, I beg you. Where are they?
Allow the young guy.
See.
Hey, what? No. Allow me.
Allow this young guy exercise his ways. You like?
Back in the days.
Next, back in the days.
Hey, have you come to trouble me again with your friends?
No. I came alone. Yes. Teacher Mauli. I want you.
What do you mean by you want me?
I heard you have a big cassava and I want to have a taste of it.
Azima, I can see you tonight.
Why? Is there any problem?
I have a lot on my mind and I can see you.
A lot like Amela, right?
What? What are you talking about?
Back in the days. Ready, man. Nobody knows tomorrow. You go reap what you sow. Nobody knows tomorrow. You go reap what you sow. Ready man. Yetumufuna mwentia. Yetumufuna mwentia. Asembeba debi. Asembeba debi. Jaya kuboni dio, Teacher Mauli. Jaya kuboni dio.